What's up, folks? So as you already know, one of the most common reasons that we see in our office people coming in with jaw pain is due to postural changes in the spine. But what we're gonna do is provide you with a series of exercises that are gonna help loosen up your jaw, decrease tension in your face, and also help with tension up here, which can decrease pain and also eradicate headaches. So there's gonna be 4 exercises that we're gonna go over. One's gonna involve squeezing my face, opening up as wide as we can. The second is gonna be a jaw glide going back and forth. The third, jaw glide going side to side. And the fourth one, we're gonna put moves 2 and 3 together. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate these and just pay careful attention to Caesar's cues as he's gonna give you some great details on what to focus on. And I'm not pouting here, folks. I'm just doing the drill.
Good. All right. So for the first one, all you're gonna do, you're gonna start off by opening up your jaw, opening up your eyes as much as you can. Then from here, go ahead and squeeze the muscles of your face, closing your jaw, closing the mouth. Okay. Then go ahead and open up again, stretching the muscles of the face. Then go ahead and squeeze the muscles again.
Wow, that one works.
Okay. So for number 2, jaw glides. So all you're gonna be doing, you're gonna be gliding your chin forward, then back. Forward again, then back. You're gonna feel a nice sensation on your mouth, your jaw, releasing all the tension. Now, side to side. Okay? While you're doing this, just make sure you breathe. Don't pause your breathing. There you go. Nice. And for number 4, okay, you're just going to create a circle with your jaw. So side, down, side. There you go. Make sure you alternate as well.
That really opens things up. So folks, if you touch on the side right here and you have any sort of tenderness, I highly recommend you to do these exercises for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And as Caesar mentioned, anytime that you gotta go one way on one of the exercises, make sure you go the other way as well. My face and jaw actually feel a whole lot looser already. So thank you, Caesar. Those are amazing.